So this is going to be my first video log. It's November 8th, I believe. I just got my fire started in my tiny cabin. November 8th, 2020. Hopefully this will be a interesting video series on my journey through homesteading and living in a tiny house and the simple life. Who knows? I hope I can share as much wisdom as possible with you guys. And yeah, I don't know. What else do I say? My adventures and trials through life in living here out in my farm in Wynndel, British Columbia. If you guys have any comments or anything, definitely leave them. If you have any questions, leave them. I'll do my best to get back to all of you. And what else? Anything? I don't know. Oh, right. I think there's like a like button and a subscribe button, so definitely do both of those if you want to keep up to date. I'm going to start by uploading a video once every week. Hopefully on Mondays. I think today's Monday, so probably upload this tomorrow while I'm in town getting supplies. And yeah, to the earth and to the people. Love you all. Have a good one.